Crocus investments are really helping Manitoba companies grow.
It was marketed as a great way to save money and support local business, and nearly 35,000 Manitobans bought in. Then, in 2004, trading of shares in the fund stopped as questions surfaced about the value of some of its investments. Crocus invested in 46 Manitoba companies, and then 6 years ago, a receiver was put in charge of recovering cash from those investments. The man at Deloitte in charge of the receivership at the time warned it wouldn't happen overnight.
The perception that the receiver will turn around and sell out the assets in a very short period of time, the term you use is fire sale. Well, that's totally false.
But 6 years later, there are 3 companies that have made no deal to wind up the $11 million in Crocus investments they received. One of those companies is the Winnipeg Gold Eyes, and one of its owners says, blame the receiver.
We have tried on many occasions to basically sit down and have them come to the table. It just stalls and stalls and stalls.
The ball club got $1.1 million in Crocus cash 11 years ago. But now, Kate says the team is losing money, isn't worth nearly what it was, and still carries major debt.
They would have got a lot more money before as opposed to what will happen sometime in the near future. In the meantime, we're still in a holding pattern.
Crocus also made a $5.5 million investment in tech company Online Enterprises, and it put more than $5 million into hotel chain Canada Inns. The owners of those companies did not answer requests for interviews. Bernie Bellin is a Crocus investor who led the lawsuit to get some of that money back. He's angry it's taken so long to get a return on investments in seemingly profitable companies.
That's not the way I conduct business. If I owe money, it's incumbent upon me to repay it. Some other business people don't think that.
Meanwhile, the cost to get the investment money back just keeps mounting. So far, it's cost $20 million to run the receivership. $6 million in fees alone have been paid to Deloitte.
In some ways, it's a catch-22. The receiver has control of Crocus. No one is able to question the receiver. And so he's given carte blanche to keep running this thing as he sees fit and milk it for as much as he wants.
Venture capital experts tell us it's industry standard to expect a return on investment in 6 to 8 years, not the 11 it's taken so far in the Crocus case. There is one industry in Manitoba that's benefited from all of this. It's lawyers. They've generated millions of dollars worth of fees, and the job isn't done yet. Sean Cavanaugh, CBC News, Winnipeg.